Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also, you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, welcome again to this new PLC tutorial session. In this session, I will cover the topic timers. In last session, I have covered the timers basic concept. In this session, I will cover how to latch the timers. Okay, so earlier what we were doing is just was using an input and a timer. Now in this session, I will explain you how to latch the timers. Okay, so let's start with the session. So this is an input and this is, let's say I have a T on timer. Okay, so let's name this input. Okay, and timer addressing T4 colon 0. Let's make a preset 5. Okay, suppose I have to latch this timer. Okay, so there are various methods to latch the timer. So first method is I will use a TT bit and done bit in parallel. Okay, T4 colon 0 slash DN. Okay, and let's say that we are getting an output after 5 seconds. Okay, so we are using a done bit to take the output. Okay, so this is an output. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to take a stop button also, so I'm taking a stop. Okay, so let's make it a start, name it as a start. Okay, and name this as a stop, STOP, stop. Okay, and okay, let's see. When I press this and when I leave this, see, timer got latched. Okay, so this timer got latched due to these two bits, TT and done bit. Okay, now I'll explain how this is working. What I have to do is this: when I press this input, TT gets on, because TT bit works for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds this done bit gets on. Okay, so after 5 seconds the done bit latches the timer, and before that this TT bit latches the timer. Okay, so timer is getting latched for first 5 seconds with this TT, and after 5 seconds the done bit is getting latching this timer. So this is a first method to latch this timer. Okay, now I will proceed to second method. In second method, what I can do is, this is not a generally method. I can say if I want to latch this output, then I can use this method. Okay, so I'm using a TT over here and I'm latching this output over here. Okay, I'm latching this output and I will have to use stop here. Okay, let's see, because for 5 seconds the TT will latch the timer, and after 5 seconds when done will get a pulse, it will give a pulse to this output, and this output will latch with the help of this output. Okay, let's see, when I force on this, force off, TT is getting latch. So after 5 seconds this done bit will give a pulse to this output, and this output will get latched with this output. Okay, so this is another method. If you want to latch an output with a timer, then you can use this method. Okay, so this was the second method, and now we'll proceed to the third method. In third method, what I have to do is I will use stop here only, and I will use enable bit, enable bit. This is enable, I have explained the enable bit in my last lecture. So enable bit will be used to latch the timer. See how it works. When a start button is pressed, enable gets on, and this enable will latch this timer. So after 5 seconds this bit gets on. This is how you can latch the timer. This is another method of latching the timer. Okay, so you can latch, you can see again, this enable bit latches the timer in this. Now from here you can unlatch it. Okay, so these are the various methods, but these are not the universal methods. These methods will be used only in Allen Bradley PLC, because in Allen Bradley PLC only you will get the TT bit and enable bit, like these type of bits. Okay, if you will work on another PLCs like Siemens or Mitsubishi or another any brand of PLC, then this method will not work on that PLC. So we should know a universal method that will work, that can be applied in any situation, any PLCs. Okay, so I'll tell you the another method. Okay, so another method is that I have to use a let's say I'm using another output here. Okay, apart from this output I'm using this output just to latch the timer. Okay, actually what I'm doing is I'm latching the output, I'm not latching the timer. Okay, and because the timer is in parallel with this output is in parallel with the timer, so this timer also gets latched. Okay, so this is another method to latch the timer. See output got latched, and due to this output this timer is working because it is in parallel with this output. So this output is used to latch the timer. So this is another method to latch the timer, but this is not that universal method that I am talking about, because if we start using this type of methods, then we can what we are doing, we are wasting output. Okay, actually we are wasting an output, and like this, if we will waste the output to latch the timers, then we have to increase the cost of PLC, because a lot of outputs will be used to latch the timers and all the other functions. Okay, so apart from it, what we can use is we can use memory bits. Okay, what are memory bits? There is a memory space in PLC that can be used to as a bits, or as a what we call soft outputs or soft bits, or what we call, I can also say a fake outputs. Okay, so that is known as memory bits. Okay, memory bits also I can name it as binary bits, or I can name it that soft bits, because these are used in software. These bits are in software, they cannot be used in hardware. Okay, so these are the names that we can use to name them. We can name them memory bits or binary bits or soft bits. Okay, so we have to, there is a particular addressing, for these type of bits. What we say is we use in Allen Bradley, I'm talking about Allen Bradley now. So what we use is B3, name is B for binary, B3. So this B3 colon 0. So this is a word B3 colon 0. So this is a memory space in PLC that can be used to save the number, save a value, save an integer, or with these, and bits of B3 colon 0 can be used to switch on and off an output. Okay, so these are the binary bits. Okay, so this is a word B3 colon 0. In one word I told you there are 16 bits, so we can use these bits. Like addressing is file type, file name, colon, word number. Okay, let's write it like this. Okay, word number and slash slot number, slash bit number. Okay, so this is the addressing for a binary bit. Okay, like file type is B, file name is 3, then now word number L, as you all know that we start from 0 only, 0, and then the binary bit is 0. So this is a bit, this is a single bit, okay, and this is a part of this word B3 colon 0. So this is the first bit in this B3 colon 0. So from 0 we can go up to 15. Like what kind of address is B3 colon 0 slash 1, sorry, colon 0 slash 1. Next will be B3 colon 0 slash 2, 0 slash 2. Now B3 colon 0 slash 3. Like this it goes on. Up to B3 colon 0 slash 15. Okay, so this is all a one word, single word. After that another word will start, that will be B3, again B3 colon 1, word will be 1, then bit will be 0. Okay, again it goes 1 slash 1. Now B3 colon 1 1 slash 2, like this it again goes up to B3 colon 1 slash 15. Now then B3 colon 2, B3 colon 3, B3 colon 4, like this it goes on, depends on the memory of PLC. Okay, so these are the binary bits, these are the soft bits, these are the imaginary bits that can be used in this program. We can replace this output. Okay, so we can save this output, and this, see how I'm using this binary bit over here. So this binary bit is replacing this output. This is imaginary bit that is showing the PLC that there is some output that is getting latched, and with the help of this binary bit we are latching this timer. Okay, so let's like see. Force on, force off. Okay, let's do it again. Force on, force off. See, this binary bit is got latched because this is the latching logic. Okay, so with the help of this logic I have latched the timer. So this is the universal method that is used in every PLC. So you have to use a memory bit or binary bit or soft bits. So this is a bit that is getting on and off in the memory only. So it is used to latch the timer. Okay, so these are some methods to latch the timer. So in this class I will sum up with this only. Okay, I hope you are practicing the examples. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you very much. Hello viewers, if any one of you is interested in taking online or offline training, you can contact me on the number given on screen. You can call me or you can send me a WhatsApp message. Also you can check my number in description of video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much.